The soil beneath us holds stories centuries old that speak of resilience and renewal. However, human intervention has challenged Mother Nature's rhythm, the cycle of life.
Composting is the first step to transform the land into a thriving farm.
And for Esther, the rhythm is her life's work, a regenerative farmer. She's rebuilding soil, creating a system where every element supports the next. Instead of sending food scraps to landfills, we turn them into nutrient-rich compost, which helps the soil retain water and grow crops that nourish both people and the planet.
This farm is a glimpse into what we're working towards. A fully sustainable polyculture ecosystem. We do not just plant one crop, we mix and we match. Regenerative techniques like this allows plants to benefit from each other. And this is exactly what we're trying to replicate at the urban farm under the African education program that is supported by CARE.
Esther is also teaching a small-scale polyculture technique called keyhole gardening to the youth ambassadors that can be replicated at their home.
So this is waste that comes from your kitchen.
This technique actually was developed in drought-ridden regions of southern Africa.
It's designed to be extremely efficient and low maintenance. When we take care of the land, it takes care of us. This is what we're teaching, how to work with nature instead of against it.
Kia, movement that inspires.